What if you could create high-converting ads in seconds without designers, copywriters, or agencies? Sounds crazy, but that's exactly what AdCreative.ai claims to do. So the real question is it actually worth it in 2026? AdCreative.ai is an AI tool that creates ads, visuals, and copy automatically for platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram. Instead of spending hours designing, you just enter your brand, product, or website, and it generates ready-to-run ads instantly. Here's how simple it is. First, you add your brand or product. Then you choose the type of ad you want, like image, video, or text. And finally, the AI generates everything for you. In seconds, you get multiple ad variations that are optimized for conversions. No guesswork, no manual design. If you want to try this for yourself, click the link in the description and test AdCreative.ai now. Now this is where it gets interesting. AdCreative.ai can generate banners, videos, and ad copy instantly. It also gives you a performance score, which predicts which ads are most likely to perform well before you even spend money on them. You can analyze competitor ads in your niche, and the platform automatically formats your creatives for different ad platforms. It can even turn basic product images into full ad creatives. So instead of hiring a designer, a copywriter, and testing multiple ads manually, you're basically getting everything in one place. Now let's talk about the pros. It saves a huge amount of time. You don't need any design skills. You can generate dozens of ad variations very quickly, and it's perfect if you want to scale your ads fast. But it's not perfect. It's not fully autonomous like newer AI agent tools. You still need to give it direction, like your product and angle. And sometimes the outputs can feel a bit template-based. So who is this actually for? If you run ads regularly, want faster creative production, and don't want to hire designers, this tool makes a lot of sense. But if you're looking for something that creates full videos and campaigns completely on its own, this isn't quite there yet. So, is AdCreative.ai the best AI ad generator in 2026? It's definitely one of the fastest and most practical tools available right now. But it's not a full AI agent. Think of it as your AI ad designer, not your entire marketing team. If you're ready to save time and improve your ads, click the link in the description and get started with AdCreative.ai today.